Hello children, a very good morning to all. How do you do? Hope you are all fine and safe. Good children, stay home, stay safe. Welcome to grade 3 math class. Today we are going to learn chapter 3 addition word problems. Are you ready children? Good. See, all should take practice book page number 25. See, look at the first sum. There were 25 cookies on a tray. See children, there were 25 cookies on a tray. Then 40 more were added. So how many cookies were there in a total? Shall we see the solution? See children, cookies on a tray, cookies on a tray. See how many cookies on a tray? Yes, 25 cookies. See children, again we added 40 more cookies. So we can write cookies added. So how many cookies were added? Yes, 40. Then finally they are asking how many cookies were there in a total. See children, already cookies on a tray we have a 25 cookies. Then for again we added 40 more cookies. Now how many cookies we have? See children, we can put the addition symbol as well as we can start from the ones column. So 5 with 0. If you add the 5 with 0 we get the 5. The next one we can move on the tens column. 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many cookies in total? 65. So cookies in total is equal to 65. Okay children, shall we move on the next one? See, look at the third question. A factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. Then 256 bulbs on the second day and 198 bulbs on the third day. So how many bulbs were produced by the factory in these 3 days? Okay children, shall we see the solution? See, bulbs made on first day. So how many bulbs are made on first day? Yes, 270. See children, bulbs made on second day 256. Then bulbs made on third day 198. See children, what they are asking? How many bulbs were produced by these 3 days? So what we have to do? We have to add these 3 days. Okay children. So we can put the addition symbol as well as we can start from the ones column. So we add the ones. So if you add 0 plus 6, what we get? Yes, 6. So 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have a 14 ones. So as well as we have to break the numbers into 110 plus 4 ones. Is it children? Good. So write 4 in ones place. So we can write 4 in ones place and carry over to one on the tens column. Is it children? So we can break the numbers into 110 plus 4 ones, write 4 in ones place and carry over 1 to the tens column. Is it children? See children, now we add the tens. See, 7 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 12 in the mind, 9 in the finger. So 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have a carried over plus 1. So 21 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So 21 after 22. Is it children? 22 tens. So as well as we have to break the numbers into 200s plus 2 tens. Is it children? Then write 2 in tens place and carry over 2 to the hundreds column. Is it children? Now we have to add the hundreds column. See children, 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 2 after 3, 4. So 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So 4 after 5. So we have to add the 2 carried over. Is it children? So 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7. So we can write 7 in the hundreds place. So bulbs made on all the 3 days is equal to how much? 724. Okay children, are you understand? Shall we move on the next one? Good. See, look at the fourth sum. In a school, 176 students joined the mathematics club. Then 128 joined the science club and remaining 488 students joined other clubs. How many students are there in a school? See children, in a school 176 students joined in math club. Then 128 students were joined in science club. So remaining 488 students joined in other clubs. See what they are asking. How many students are there in this school? Shall we see the solution? See, students joined in math club. See 176. So students joined in science club 128. Then students joined in other clubs 488. So as well as we have to add the ones column. So 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. So 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then 14 in the mind, 8 in the finger. So 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have a 22 ones. Is it children? Now we are going to break the numbers into 2 tens and 2 ones. Then children, we can write 2 in ones place and carry over 2 to tens column. Is it children? Now we are going to add the tens. So 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 7 after 8, 9. So 9 in the mind, 8 in the finger. So 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And also we have to add the carried over 2. That means we get 19 tens. Is it children? So if we split the number means what we get? Yes, 100 plus 9 tens. See that 9 tens as well as we write in the tens place. Then keep the carry over 1 to the hundreds column. See children, now we are going to add the hundreds column. See, 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So 1 after 2. So 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. See children, after 6 we have to add 1 carried over. Is it children? So 6 after 7. So 7 hundreds. So finally the total number of students 792. Is it children? I hope you all very clear in today's topic, that addition word problems. Okay children. Now we are in homework part. See, do the given assignment 7. You have to do the sum 2, 5, 6 and 7 in homework note. Then refer practice book page number 25. Learn and write the multiplication table 8 for one time. Okay children, I will meet in the next video. Bye. Thank you.